Friends, we are starting our 268th session of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. And before starting our session, we will do prayer at Sarlapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, India, pin code 847407, under the guidance of Amit Ishwar Jha, who is working for this in room number 126. And we call it Rashtrapati One as we give self-employment government job to one and all by the constitutional basis. So, and it is under control of 26 January 1950. So first Rashtrapati One, Shiv Puran 12 Jyotirmandir 175 crore Jyotirmandir, Pushpanjali Arti Truth Only Transfer, Rashtrapati One number 2, Vishnu Puran Ramayana Bhagavad Gita Pushpanjali Arti Truth Only Transfer, Rashtrapati One number 3, Brahma Saraswati Puran IS Limban, Pushpanjali Arti Truth Only Transfer, Rashtrapati One number 4, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Durga Pushpanjali Arti Truth Only Transfer, Rashtrapati One numbers 5, each united verse Shri Gaurana Pushpanjali Arti Truth Only Transfer, Rashtrapati One number 6, Hindu government teacher, time has been time, Pushpanjali Arti Truth Only Transfer. So we are starting our session. Right of pension should be fundamental. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental. Direct link to ministry and merit. We should be preamble by organized employed, preamble by organized self-employed, and we should make self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing to certain ministry office fundamental. This is the constitutional fiscal credit table under the guidance of Amit Ishwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, Organized Self-Employment Ministry, which is under control of 26 January 1950 on a democratic level, where the people, whatever they are doing in that constitutional framework we have given, 20 to 22% of the people are below poverty line and illiterate, and for that we have made constitutional validity on income per day fiscal credit table. We have on the basis of that we have given fiscal credit per day. On that fiscal credit we are giving fiscal credit salary, and on that basis pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance, ministerial benefit will be given. Work will be allotted by the Organized Self-Employment Ministry on the central level and the state level. This is direct ministry and direct budget work. After that, literate one who is knowing alphabets, then 5th pass, then 8th pass, then 10th pass, then 12th, then graduation, post-graduation, MPhil, DLED, PhD. All these degree have been given capital value, and on that basis per day fiscal credit have been given, and on that basis per month fiscal credit salary has been given, and on each fiscal credit salary pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance, ministerial have been given. We have also made Labour Party of India fist of the hand, which is working with under guidance of Amit Ishwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha from 31st August 2001. We are also making festival of Organized Self-Employment Ministry every year 2 times, between 16 February to 26 February and 29 August to 11 September every year for last 23 years. And after that we have also published under the banner of Om Namah Shivaya publication press magazine this Truth Only Trump, which is costing 251. You can purchase by the parcel by calling me on the number 6397360717 and email address osemboffice2001@gmail.com. This organized self-employment body is a constitutional setup. In this 12 Jyotirmandir document as Shiv Parvati, 12 Jyotir Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krish Radha Mandir document as Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krish Radha Amita Vilasa Chaturvedi Lakshmi, 12 ISBN certificate of Hindu written as Brahma Saraswati Kamandal and Vermilion Mark, 12 Durga Sapati work of the Mandir, 12 Jyotir Mandir, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Trinetra and Vermilion Mark, and each united verse north, south, east, west, central India, Mithila verse, all verse ISBN certificate as committee member, and 12 the government of India documents on which we are making laws. On that basis we have made 6 family member in as Rashtrapati One and keeping 6 books on that. The flag of Organized Self-Employment Ministry is white cloth and 6 symbol of all Trishul Vermilion Mark, Chakra Vermilion Mark, Kamandal Vermilion Mark, Trinetra Vermilion Mark, Book Vermilion Mark, and Government Stamp Vermilion Mark. On this basis, Truth Only Trumps is proceeding in the work of Organized Self-Employment Ministry, which is providing self-employment government job to one and all. We are working whatever we are doing, either we are doing in the private sector or in the public sector or wherever. We have divided into employment equilibrium point based on aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. Employment equilibrium point just now is 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. 30,000 per month above is 15% of the population, is 30% of the population, and The 30,000 per month below is 70% of the population. These population, sometimes they are getting jobs, sometimes they are not getting. So we are getting a constant job of self-employment government job by the constitutional basis of the documents which we have got through the blessing of God and Goddess, and by the work and effort of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, that is me. Under the guidance of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, with Labour Party of India, we are working on this constitutional life. 0 to 18 years, if anyone requires financial support, they can also be given self-employment government job according to their age. And between 18 to 58 years, we have divided into 4 parts: 18 years, 32 years, 46 years, and 58 years. In this 18 to 32 years first phase, 32 to 46 years second phase, and 46 to 58 year third phase, and then after that retirement. Seniority will be like 18 years senior will be 32 years, 32 years senior will be 46 years, and 46 years senior will be 58 years. On that basis, the pension will be given on this criteria of this fiscal credit salary. So organized self-employment ministry is working on this, and organized self-employment have made this jurisdiction on the basis of signature. Like 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan is there and 6 Governor House is there. Same thing, 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan is for central government and 6 Governor House is for state government and UT government. On that basis, the constitutional life has been developed. Each citizen, we will be entering into the documented economy on the basis of the constitutional service book. We have 120 crore population, so 20 crore Kailastham Rashtrapati Bhavan population, 20 crore Baikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan population, 20 crore Brahma Saraswati Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan population, 20 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham population, 20 crore East United Varshki Dham population, 20 crore East United Government. Because what is there in the competition, those who are not able to qualify, then full life become hell. And if business is not prospering, then also full life become hell. And regularity of income is not there, then we are not able to get any loans and other facilities. And what is our salary, we are not able to judge. On this fiscal table, each and every one fiscal credit table has been judged. Those who are connected by this, they will be promoted every 4 years according to the joining dates. The working schedule of the organized self-employment ministry will be provided in the constitutional service book, which will be 2. One will be at the office and one will be at the with the people, those who are working in the organized self-employment ministry. It is a setup of employment where each and every one will be moved. As it will become constitution, if it will become constitution, then we will shift it to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Otherwise, we have planned it for 110 room of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, because 109 room is already preoccupied by the ancestors work from 15th August 1947, because we have 108 ministry and 109th ministry is of railway. So already 109 room has been preoccupied for the central administration. We are moving towards 110 room where these documents will be kept in the form of 6 Rashtrapati. Here, if there will be no constitution, then we will believe that Shiv as the supreme, and after that Vishnu, then after that Brahma Saraswati, then Adi Shakti Jagdamba, then each united Varshki Government, then government. This will be the teaching of organized self-employment. But suppose we are flag downing and each one is understanding this fact for organized self-employment ministry, because on 15th August 1947 we were in the comfortable position. At that time only we would have started organized self-employment ministry and budget and finance, self-funding, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission. But at that time idealistic approach was there, which idealistic approach is still there, but it is moving in 30,000 per month above or now, and below 70% people, that idealistic approach has gone in vain. For that we have to generate, and employment is also required because it is compulsory part of the modern life. On that basis we have made, if there will be constitution making, then we will go on the date on 31st August 1946, because that is the particular date in which the document was accepted by the British government, and through that the interim government was proposed by the British government, and we made 2nd September 1946 to 14th August 1947 the interim government. After that 15th August 1947 we got independence and we made our own constitution. So on that level we are putting flag down, and then we are putting this flag, the white cloth and Trishul vermilion mark as Shiv Parvati Putra Putri, as son and daughter. Then Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Chakra vermilion mark, Kamandal vermilion, Brahma Saraswati, Trineta vermilion, Adi Shakti, and the book vermilion as each united version, and government each united version with governing body. On that level, 6 father mother on document basis, and each one is getting constitutional service in that. If any person is not doing work, then also he is getting fiscal credit. But there is counseling system, and in the service book there will be written, which will be in the office. Every time it will be counseled that you have to do work what has been provided. We have also made flexible arrangement with the private sector, like in this private sector is also working and the government sector is also working, and both are equally working in the potential capacity, because 16% of the population is employed by the politicians, 16.66% is employed by the industries, 16.66% is employed by the educationists, 16.66% is employed by the government, 16.66% is employed by the truth and non-violence, and 16.60 by the government. So on that basis we have made a collaboration on that central level, on the documents level. If you will see the 6th row and the documents in front, and as believe as Rashtrapati Bhavan, on that basis Amiteshwarism move, and it gives self-employment government job roles. The seniority on the joining will be given, and the qualification as what we have qualified, because God and Goddess blessing is also there. Therefore we are celebrating 16 February to 26 February and 29 August to 11 September by making ideal of all these God and Goddess for the development of humanity. It is building the human capital path for each and everyone, and we are becoming good. We are also providing to a bridge for going above 30,000 employment equilibrium point by making a ordinance on that educational, those who are graduate, like after graduation 2 year either correspondent or regular study of the education, study of the subject, and then getting educational certificate will, if a person is able to earn 10 certificate, 2 years 10 certificate, he will be promoted to 30,000 per month. Otherwise the fiscal credit salary will move in the 30,000 below range all over India, because 100% employment is provided in this organized self-employment ministry. Pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance, ministerial benefit will be given. Apart from this, we are also giving TADA, those work which is coming from the central government which will be in the organized self-employment ministry, and those work which is coming from the state government which will be in the organized self-employment ministry, it will be distributed to the constitutional service book of each person. And on that basis, if they are working in the private sector, we will collaborate with the manager, because in each branch we will have one central organized self-employment manager who will be linked by the collectorate of organized self-employment ministry and budget, and we will have block organized self-employment manager who will be linked to the state government blocks office. On that basis, both the state government and the central government both will work. The house posting will be done by chief minister in the state, and the central posting will be done by the prime minister. And when we will doing the flag, our flag will be white cloth and Trishul vermilion mark, Chakra vermilion mark, Kamandal vermilion mark, Trinetra vermilion mark, book vermilion mark, and government stamp. Apart from this, for the idealistic approach, we have kept the 6 other Rashtrapati Bhavan of minorities. On that mark will be also there. On that basis, we all will be self-employed government job servants. So 12 mark will be there, symbol of the books on that white cloth. On that basis, Amiteshwarism will flow. Apart from this, we will also keep the dignity of the work which has been done for last 75 years. We will write that neither no party has been defeated, and we have worked according to the time requirement. And in 1947 also it was required that we should have made division, like those who believe that Shiva as a winner and those who believe as Vishnu as a winner. There should be division in that, and on that basis vote is bifurcated. So we have made constitutional arrangement where the Shiva is the winner, Vishnu is younger, and where the Vishnu is winner, Shiva is younger. So on that level, in each 5 unborn family we have said this. But we have made court-martial connection on that. Those who vehemently try to speak this, they have to take court-martial connection, then only they will speak these words. Otherwise, it will be a court-martial statement. On that basis, court-martial can be done. So we have made this arrangement because we all are sitting in home and we all are understanding that Shiv Puran is different and Vishnu Puran is different. The thinking is different, but we have to make constitutional arrangement because vote bank and emotional attachment is there, because both are father and mother of us. On that basis, we have made 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, and those who vehemently try to speak, we will try to make them follow that they should go for the court-martial connection. 19 years they have to go to the police station, and apart from this, 16.66% salary and fiscal credit whatever pension, gratuity, problem fund, dearness allowance will be given, that will be cut. We would have done it earlier only on 15th August 1947 at the time of constitution, because at that time we were 33 crore population. Now we have reached 130 to 135 crore population, and employment is a big problem for us. In that circumstances, wherever private sector we are doing, we are under mental pressure also, and we are facing a lot of difficulties also. But since only one option is there, if we will try to leave job, again there will be problem where we will go for other options, because no salary is provided. And whenever we are joining in the private sector, newcomer is becoming, and in that circumstances no experience certificate is provided. So in that circumstances, we have made this constitutional service on that level, that from the beginning constitutional by the organized self-employed ministry constitutional service, each one will be getting service go, and pension, gratuity, provident fund, fiscal credit, salary will be provided. Apart from this, they have to follow the rules and regulation of the government made by the organized self-employed ministry. Labour Party is working on this, and this is the uniform constitutional setup of the organized self-employment working schedule. On this basis, we have tried to make the development of the society. Those who are like-minded people, they can come to Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, India, pin code 847407 and mobile number 6397360717. They can email me and also message me. They can purchase book and promote the organized self-employment ministry literature and organized self-employed ministry by doing festival 16th February to 26th February and 29 August to 11 September. And on that basis, organized self-employed ministry will flourish the civilization by self-employment government job to us, and double salary system will be there, because private sector wherever we are working, and organized self-employed manager will coordinate that meeting, and the work which will be provided, it will be a flexible type work, time limit will be given. On that basis we can complete that work, and we will also talk with the private employers on that level. We are talking also that this work is to be done through the ministry, and for that he is getting fiscal credit salary or she is getting fiscal credit salary. Apart from this, educational independency certificate, human capital path also we have made, where on the educational certificate only people can survive with the administration base. That also we have made, because we have made court martial arrangement for all, like Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united according to them and government dham. Court martial connections we have also provided, so that any type of problem, people should beforehand they have to tell that they have taken court martial connection and they are going to the police station 19 years, because it is mind thinking that this has to be done. Main purpose is to generate employment in whatever work we are doing, and this is possible by the hand of session. By the session, we have arranged the money for annual budget one ministry, railway budget one ministry, and election commission of India. Same way, we are arranging money for the organized self-employed ministry on the central level for the fiscal credit salary of each and every population who is being attached by direct ministry and direct budget connection, and also for the state government organized self-employed ministry and budget. Means constitutional work is required, and for that we are doing session, and it can be possible by us in the human limitation, because we are under the control of 26 January 1950 on the democratic credential. So it is possible. Constitutional validity income work, on the income work we have not taken as a challenge. We have to take constitutional validity on income work as challenge and work on that, and we have to provide employment to each and everyone. It is possible because little bit saying on the part of government, which we are not doing just now, and making self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission of India, automatically constitutional life will move on. Main purpose is to make organized self-employed ministry and provide educational certificate, capital value and constitutional value of income work. But since we are belonging from the Hindus and old ancient family, and we are knowing each and every one, therefore we have made this systematic handling of by the document system, because each and everything will be written. Whenever we will take fiscal credit salary, we will sign 6 signature. One for Shiv Parvati blessing, one for Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amita Vilasa blessing, Chaturbhuj Lakshmi blessing, one for Brahma Saraswati blessing, one for Adi Shakti Jagdamba and her non-widow husband blessing, one for each united worship God and Goddess blessing, and one for government blessing, government Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita. In this way, organized self-employment ministry will provide each and every person employment. Now we are concluding this session under the guidance of Amiteshwar Amit Kumar at Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, email address osemdoffice2001@gmail.com. And we are also available on Zoom app, the Google Meet, and on the YouTube live session by taking prior appointment with me at Mobile number 6397360717. Email address osemboffice2001@gmail.com. So at Sardarpur, Lonavala, Darbhanga, we are room number 1 to 6. Room number 1, Shivpuran 12 Jyotirmandir, 75 crore Jyotirmandir, Pushpanjali Aarti, 2000 to Rashtrapati Bhavan number 2. Vishnupuran Ramayana Bhagavad Gita Puran Pushpanjali Aarti, 2000 to Rashtrapati Bhavan number 3. ब्रह्मा सरस्वती आयुष्मान पुष्पांजलि आरती 2000 to राष्ट्रपति भवन for आदिशक्ति जगन्माता दुर्गा से देवालय पुष्पांजलि आरती 2000 to राष्ट्रपति भवन 5 each united worship god and goddess पुष्पांजलि आरती 2000 to राष्ट्रपति भवन 6 Hindu government time as Indian constitution and all the laws we have made from 26 January 1950 पुष्पांजलि आरती and flag of organized self white cloth and Trishul vermilion mark, Chakra vermilion mark, Kamandal vermilion mark, Trinitha vermilion mark, book vermilion mark and government stamp vermilion mark as we are sons and daughters of 6 father mother Pushpanjali Aarti and we should make organized self employment ministry in budget. Thank you.